may manager yun, ano tawagan yung hindi, may Pinocchio.
Yes, sir.
You want to help me? I want you to help me by getting out of my sight.
Oh my God, tama mo concentrate natin. Again, sir.
I want you to get out of my sight now.
Why, sir?
Kasi ikaw.
I am the front office of this establishment. Okay, ako to. I'm the in-charge.
Nagawa mo pag magipag-gym.
Sir, if you don't have any question, then I see you tomorrow.
Now. Well, I have another complaint.
What is that, sir?
Your service? What the hell is your service here? What's your problem here? Now, that bellboy didn't carry my luggages.
Boy!
You did not get responsibility, sir.
Sir, come again,
He ignored me carrying my luggages.
Maybe you don't
Sir, no, he should be attentive.
I'm really sorry because I don't know my work here because I'm OJT.
Well, it's a training. You should be aware of what you're doing. Now, it is not my responsibility to tell you what to do.
Sir, this is what I'm going to do, sir.
I'm going over. Come on in.
Okay,
you're going there now.
Sir, I will talk to the manager of the bill. Sir, the bill officer bill. I bill manager.
Saan ba nakasama ang bell service?
Saan ba yun?
Hindi ko nga kausap ha.
Sir, to tell you frankly, sir. Under fine. Everybody under repair. Under repair.
The bell service is here.
Sir, unauthorized person.
Hindi lang. Hindi ko sila makuha ng lahat eh.
Service division.
Yes.
Nung sasalita, para mga bata, pilit naman.
Saan ka sa room service?
OJT. Sabi kaging.
By the way, why did you accept that person?
We have no choice. We have no choice.
No choice. Look at what he's wearing.
It's ladies' choice, go.
OJT is an artist.
That's our uniform, go.
I don't care.
Sir,
You must care, come on, you must care.
This is what I'm going to do, sir. You get a good shot of you.
No, you should be all professional.
Sir, excuse problem.
Excuse me?
Oh. Dadaan ako, excuse me. Excuse me, may I pass, go.
Hindi ko naman alam na.
So, ano?
Kayo.
Ano, ibagak dahil, bawali na sa
No, I don't want your service here.
Oh.
Going out.